Drags. In today's video, my goal is to get you to play a more accurate, clean drag with doubles, not buzzes. What you just heard me play are doubles. Buzzes is when you take your grace notes and you kind of crush them into the primary stroke. Both of these types of drags have a place in music, but for this particular video, I want to concentrate on getting your open drag locked in. I think it's a little bit harder to do. So we're going to concentrate on more of an open drag. Now, the open drag is when you're dealing with grace notes and a primary note. So grace notes are when you have a stick that's about 1 inch to 2 inches off the head, and you want to keep it there. You want to control it there. And then you have your primary note, which is the bigger, louder note. So a double drag right-handed would be like this. Not a double drag, that's wrong. A drag, open drag. Do you hear all 3 strokes? 2 with the grace note, 1 with the primary. You also want to do this left-handed. Two with the grace, 1 with the primary. When you do this one, I like to see my grace notes as very soft doubles. So what is a double? That's when you play 2 strokes in each hand. So I take the concept of the double stroke roll and I just use it in one hand. Now that's an awfully loud grace note, and I want you to try and keep your grace notes down. So an exercise that I want you to play along with, grab your pad, grab your sticks, is this. It's going to be 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. And what you're going to do is you're going to keep your primary strokes nice and big, and you're going to keep your grace notes nice and soft. Try for like 1 inch off the head. Try to really concentrate on it. So an exercise, play along with me, goes like this. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 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 Keep going. Make sure that those grace notes are nice and even. Don't get sloppy down there. That's the whole point of going this slow. Now, let's work it on the left hand. Same exact thing. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Now concentrate on those grace notes. Nice and even, nice and soft. Try to go for 1 inch off the head. You're playing along, right? Oh, almost blew it there. Now, once you get it nice and even there, this is when you can start to speed up. Now, you can do this a couple different ways, and I've said this in some other videos. You can do it like I'm going to do it now, where I'm going to take that particular exercise right-handed only, so I can concentrate on my grace notes in my left hand. I'm just going to speed it up and slow it back down. Now you can go, if you're having an issue doing it that way, break out a metronome, start at 60, and then move that up to 70 when you're comfortable, move it up to 80 when you're comfortable, move it up to 90, and so on when you're comfortable. So here I am. I'm going to do this slow to fast to slow, that particular exercise. My goal is to keep those doubles nice and clean and open, no matter how fast I get. All right, here we go. Play along if you want to. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Now, we're going to start speeding up. Keep this rhythm though, just get it faster. Notice I've still got doubles going on, and that's the goal. Nice and soft doubles. I'm not crushing these. They're still open. I'm concentrating on those doubles. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Now, you obviously want to do it left-handed. So, starting with the left hand, same exercise. Here we go. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Concentrate on those doubles. I'm going to speed it up. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Keep the grace notes down, but keep them doubles. One and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Now, that exercise is so that you can concentrate on one side and then concentrate on the other. Now what you want to do, once you're comfortable there, once you think you have a good double in your grace note, now the goal is to alternate them back and forth. Start slow, okay? So play along with me here. We're gonna start slow and then I'll speed up later on, but I want you to play along with me here. We're gonna start slowly and keep it there for a moment. Play along. Here we go. Ooh, that was terrible. Notice that I'm trying to keep those grace notes down, and I'm only moving one stick technically. And it's the primary. Now we're going to speed up a little bit. Keep those doubles. Don't buzz. There you have it. There's the drag. If you like what I'm doing in these videos, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any content. Down in the comments section, do you have trouble with your drags? Do you constantly crush them because you're having an issue with the doubles? Let me know down in the comments section. Also, check out a couple of these videos. And until the next time, take care.